Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a gameplay of this game where kite follow the line. This game is based on touching this point and following this white line. This game looks like so easy, but it isn't. This game is so hard to do because the screen following the up so fast. And this thing is so bad. You can see I am failed. Let's try again. There's figures and parkour stuff you must do and you must follow. It's hard. It doesn't look like easy. It looks like easy, but it isn't. It's hard game. Even you can see, and it's so like making you play it again and again and again because you always fail. And this game make you really play it again because you always fail in this game. This game doesn't have any end and does make you sense to play it again and again. You can see I am fails always, but let's try to do it. Be slow, go. Okay, try it. Oh my gosh, don't go there, don't go. Fail. Okay, again fail. I will show you some plays of this game. Isn't so much. Again, don't do this. This game is cool in some future to spend your free time, but it's so suck game. I don't like it because it isn't any fun with following some line. It's interesting to spend your free time, but you can play it like 10 or 20 minutes and then you will say, oh, I can't do this ever, and you will upload the game. You can't make yourself better with doing some bigger lines or doing some smaller points, and this make this game boring in some point, but you can always be better in this game with playing it. I show you some plays when I'm talking about this game. I played this game before like 2 or 3 months, and now I want to make a video showing of this game because I don't like this game any and I want to get your mean about this game. Okay, this is the last gameplay. Let's see what we can do. I don't playing with my finger. I am playing with pen for display for Android device. Okay, one other. I can't stop doing that because I can't finish it. This is the really good feature for the game. You can't stop doing it, but it's to some point. When you play it like 100 times, you will say, oh, I can't do it ever, and you will put the game. Okay, see if I can do it. Yes. Well, my record is that 110 meters. New personal best, you can see. And thank you for watching this video, guys. It was like 5 minutes, but it's showing you game.